guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am gonna be doing a weekly forecast for the upcoming week of May for Capricorn, and I already pre-shuffled all of the cards, so I'm just gonna do this final shuffling like that. And with these, we are starting off with follow your heart and open your heart to love. Capricorn, what is up with that? I think I kind of get the feeling what this reading is all about, but let's take a look. Capricorn, we have the Moon, the Four of Wands, the Two of Cups, and the Lovers. Okay, just give me a minute. Capricorn, it feels like you have been kind of shutting down that part of yourself that lets anybody in. And it also feels like that you have altered yourself to fit in with another person's life. If you get what I mean, it feels like you had to be the one that changed your hobbies for your person to be able to do theirs. It always felt like you had to be the one to adapt to your partner in previous relationships, and it feels like you have been shedding that skin now. It feels like you are ready to take on something serious, and it feels like perhaps next week you are starting to realize what you want and who you are, and that it's safe for you to follow your heart and open your heart to love, because it's time for you to take control and be who you are. It feels like you are dreaming about a relationship, and it feels like it is gonna happen. I'm not saying that it's gonna happen next week, but I mean pretty soon, because you are in that energy here. But we have the Moon card, so this tells me that this is all being kind of hidden for you at the moment. You can't really see the plan, and because you are a Capricorn, you are very grounded, you have a very slow energy. You really think about every decision that you are gonna make. So I feel like the people that you have been dating is kind of frustrated with you because you can't make up your mind. But I feel like the upcoming week, you are starting to step into your own true self. You are starting to realize what you want and what you need in love, because that is something that I feel that you are thinking about a lot, because we have the Two of Cups here. So a union with somebody else is in the horizon, I feel like, because we also have the Lovers here. Yes, and here we have the Knight of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands and the Three of Pentacles and the Star. This is a really lovely reading for you, Capricorn. I feel like this slow moving energy of the Knight here is you, and I feel that you have been setting your mind to get what you want. And we have the Ace of Wands, which is a brand new beginning for you in love, or with a new project that really a new project that makes you feel really good about yourself. We have the Star here, so you are divinely guided in this. This is where you are supposed to be, just that through your other relationships that didn't work out, it was for you to grow, to become the person that you are today. Because if you haven't experienced these types of things, how can you really know who you are and what you want? I mean, we can always say to ourselves that that we want this and that we want that, but in reality, when we are faced with difficult decisions, specifically to do with relationships to other people, sometimes we tend to not value ourselves enough. But I feel like you have mastered, or gonna be mastering, that in a very short time, because I feel like you are gonna make a soul contract with somebody, and this is where you are supposed to be. We have the Lovers, we have the Four of Wands here, so this is going to be a stable ground for you to stand on, somebody that accepts you for who you are, but you also need to let this person in a little bit more than you have, for this to work. You can't be the strong silent type forever. I mean, if that is your personality, that's okay, but you need to open up a little bit more, and share your inner thoughts, because we are just people and we can't read minds. So I feel like your partner, or the person that you're seeing, or somebody that's gonna come in the future, in the near future, I believe, you need to follow your heart. You need to open your heart to love, which I feel is that you need to be vulnerable for this person, okay? It's safe for you to be that, because this is not somebody that's gonna hurt you, because we have the Lovers. It's a soul contract. It's meant for you to be. It's a good match. But I mean, it's always your decision. I'm not telling you what to do, because we have the Queen of Cups here. I feel like your upcoming week in May is also triggering your creativity. It is making you walk away from projects and things that doesn't serve you, that doesn't do anything to make you happy. If it's a job, if it is a relationship to another person, a family member, a friend, but I strongly feel like the next week that you are walking towards something that is emotionally fulfilling for you, work-wise or project-wise, or something like that, a new creative project for you, where you can feel like you are the master of your own life. I sort of feel like it's a self-employment kind of thing. That is what I'm getting strongly, that you are not looking to be a good employee. You are not looking to climb the ladder in career-wise. You just want to be happy with what you are doing as long as it pays the bills. And I feel like you are gonna be stepping more towards that direction, perhaps starting now or next week, or time is fluid, at least within this year. So I feel like this is such a positive reading for you, Capricorn, and really excited for you actually. But I feel like you need to set more boundaries, but also be more vulnerable. It's like you need to be more dynamic. I feel like you are there's not enough dynamic in you because you are holding your feelings within. And it's okay for you to vent. It's okay for you to say how you feel. Yeah. Starting next week. Okay, Capricorn, this was all that I had for you. If you like my style, if you like my channel, please subscribe. And I would like also to know what you think about the reading, so I would die for a comment down below. Okay, bye.